Hello, my name's Anne Baxter and I live in Devon, and today we're going to do string stars. Now, string stars is a really good way of using up some of those scraps that you've probably got lurking about at home. And this is a string stars cushion that's got quite a Scandinavian feel to it. So to start, we are going to acquaint ourselves with templates. Templates are not a word that pass my lips very often because I'm not a big fan of a template, but for this particular thing we are going to use templates. Now, this is the quilt using the reproduction 1930s fabrics, and you can see that here is our block here, and I've used 9 different blocks in this one, completely random selection of fabrics.